Perimeter and area of a circle. What is the perimeter? If you start from here and you travel along the boundary and reach here, the distance you have traveled is nothing but the perimeter, and the area which is enclosed by this boundary is the area, or the region enclosed by this boundary is the area. So this is what we call it as a perimeter. We can also call it as circumference in the case of circle. In case of circle, this is circumference. And we have seen in various discussions that the circumference of a circle bears a constant ratio with the diameter, which is the pi. This is the Greek letter pi, pi. So what is this circumference? Take diameter here. Diameter is nothing but 2 into r. So pi into 2 into r, that is 2 pi r. So circumference is 2 pi r for the circle. Well, in fact, great Indian mathematician Aryabhatta, he gave an approximate value of pi. He stated pi equal to 62832 by 20,000, and it was nearly 3.1416. And then the other genius, Srinivas Ramanujan, a mathematician, he calculated the value of pi to million places of decimal. As we have known that the pi is irrational number and the decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-recurring, non-repeating. So for this calculation purpose, we are going to use 22 by 7 and 3.14 for pi. If you want to find out the area, let us just do a small activity. Activity is very small. You have to cut like the cake. You cut the cake in your birthday and just arrange it like this. So how much this area is, we need to find out. So these are all the regions which we have cut and placed it here. This is nothing but the circumference. This is the circumference, and we know that this is a kind of rectangle, as we can see. So this is a rectangle, say this is the 2 pi r. So the side, this and this becomes 2 pi r. This whole means this total is 2 pi r. So this and this combined becomes 2 pi r. So the one side is half into 2 pi r. And what is this radius? Half into 2 pi r into r. So half into 2 pi r into r, that is the breadth and the length, it gives you half into 2 pi r into r gives pi r square. So this is the area. So pi r square of a circle is pi r square of a circle is the area, and the circumference or the perimeter is 2 pi r. This corresponds to circumference, C or P, perimeter. Let us see an example. The cost of fencing a circular field at the rate of rupees 24 per meter is 5280. So this is your circular field, and the cost of fencing is 5280. So if we have the circumference as 2 pi r, if you multiply this by 24 per meter, it gives you 5280. So if you want to find out the length of this 2 pi r of the fence, you have to divide 5280 by 24. That is what is done. So this is 220. Now 2 pi r is 220. Now we can find out r. Pi is given to be 22 by 7. R becomes 35. Find the cost of plowing the field. The field is plowed at the rate of this. So the area is pi r square. This is pi r square. Pi we have used 22 by 7. The cost of plowing is 0.50. So if you multiply this by 0.50, you will get the cost of plowing the field, that is 1925.